Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How to send money with PayPal internationally to another country in 2025. So make sure you will have logged in your PayPal account. And right now we will just type in the top right corner of three lines as well. And as you can see, as you can see, there is an option of pay and get paid. So just tap for pay, and after if you scroll down, so there is an option make payments, send payments. So just tap. So right now you will just have to enter the username of recipient or email or mobile. So I will just type the name and just select it, the contact. So you will just have to also change the currency from here. So just type the amount which you have to send, and you will just also take a note for right. Just tap next, and you will just type the choose a payment type for goods and services or for friends and family. So just tap for friends or family, this type. So right now you will just add, please add a payment option. So right now you will just have to link a credit card or debit card, or you will just have link a bank account. So when you just link your bank account or credit or debit card, you will be able to send internationally payments through PayPal. That's it. Thank you.